Be blessed by the divine. Will I get a job? This is yesterday's puzzle. Let's find the answer. Sixth bhava starts in Scorpio at 24:41:43. The sublord is Rahu. Rahu is posited in Taurus at 12:42 in Rohini Nakshatra owned by Moon in the sign owned by Venus. Rahu is aspected by Ketu from Scorpio at 12:42. Ketu itself is in Anuradha Nakshatra owned by Saturn, and Saturn is retrograde in Capricorn at 15:01. From here, the retrograde Saturn is aspecting Rahu in 120 degrees, which is a beneficial aspect. But Saturn is in the sub of Jupiter. Jupiter is sitting in the 8th bhava, and Jupiter owns the 7th bhava. Therefore, Saturn has rendered itself to be a malefic planet. A benefic aspect from a malefic planet will make sure that Rahu turns out to have only malefic effects of its aspect. Now, however, Rahu will give the benefit or will attempt to give the benefit of Moon, and Moon is signifying the 6th bhava as it is posited in Scorpio at 23:04. Moon owns Cancer, which owns the 2nd bhava. So even though the 6th house sublord Rahu in the star of Rohini Nakshatra owned by Moon is signifying the 2nd bhava and signifying the 6th bhava, it would still not give itself good benefit of finding a good job at this point of time, because Ketu, which is in the Anuradha Nakshatra in retrograde Saturn, aspecting malefic way to Rahu, and retrograde Saturn, which is in the sub of Jupiter, turns out to be a malefic Saturn, giving a benefic aspect to Rahu, will control the results of Rahu to a great extent. So at this point of time, there is absolutely no chance for this person to get a job. I hope you are very clear about whether this person will get a job or not. This is the beauty of the Krishnamurti Paddhati system. Here is a puzzle for you to solve. Will this person have any change of job prospects? Now, be careful about the question. He is not asking whether he is going to be successful in his current job. He has decided to quit the job. He has given a horary number, and the horary chart has been drawn on the 17th of June 2021 at 5:36 p.m. in Bangalore. And the question is, when the person changes the job, how will be the change of job prospects? Now let's study the 6th bhava. 6th bhava starts in Virgo at 25:51. The sublord is Rahu, and Rahu is in Rohini Nakshatra in Taurus at 15:55 in the sign of Venus in the star of Moon, aspected by Ketu, which is sitting in Anuradha Nakshatra in Saturn star, and Saturn is retrograde, and Moon itself owns the 4th bhava, which is sitting in Cancer, which is Moon's own house, and Moon is in Leo at 24:10. At this location, it will give the benefit of the 5th bhava. So will this person have great results when he changes the job? If you would like to learn astrology in a systematic and a self-paced manner, with of course facilitation from me, visit learnastrologyonline.in. I will see you tomorrow. Be blessed by the divine.